Hi guys, my name is Shubham and today video topic is IOC and DOC. IOC means Indian software in software engineering inversion of control and dependency injection are two closely related design patterns are used to make software more modular and easier to maintain. Then we discuss about IOC. IOC is a design pattern that is used to invert the control of flow a system in a typical software application. The control of flow is determined by the program logic. For example, if a function needed to retrieve data from a database, it would be responsible for creating a database connection, executing the query, and handling any errors. This creates a tight coupling between the function and the database, which can make the system brittle and difficult to maintain. With IOC, the control of flow is inverted. Instead of the function creating the database connection, the database connection is passed to the function as parameter. This means that the function does not need to know how the database connection was created or how the query was executed. It only needs to know how to use the database connection to retrieve the data it needs. Then DI is a design pattern that is used to implement IOC dependency injection. It is a way of providing objects with the dependencies. They need function in typical software application. Objects are responsible for creating their new dependencies. For example, a class might create a database connection when it is instated. This creates a tight coupling between the class and the database, which can make the system brittle and difficult to maintain. With dependency injection, the dependencies are injected into the object from the outside. This means that the object does not need to know how its dependencies were created or where they come from. It only needs to know how to use them. It performs its function. There are several benefits to using IOC and dependency injection DI in software engineering. First, it makes the system more modular by separating the dependencies from the objects that use them. It is easier to modify the system over time. Second, it makes the system easier to test by providing objects with their dependencies. It is easier to test each object in isolation. This is the IOC and dependency injection. Thank you.